I know how you have been struggling. I know what you're thinking. I know. I know. I know. I know you have been thinking, how am I going to get this 1,000 subscribers that they have been talking about? How am I going to start getting view? When would I get monetized? When would I start making money on YouTube? Calm down. I got the solution for you. Look for a chair, sit down, take your book, take your pen. Let's start. Relax. Relax. You watching at me, I say relax. The first thing you have to do is that you have to pick the right niche, okay? Choose your niche wisely because you cannot just start up a YouTube channel without knowing the type of niche you're going for. And you find yourself confusing, you find yourself posting different types of content, motivation. Today you are on this one, today on you this one. YouTube will get confused. YouTube will get confused and they won't even know the right audience to push your videos to. So you have to choose the one that you will stick to it and you are committed to it and you are consistent in doing it. Then YouTube will know that okay, this is what this person is out for. Then they will now select the type of audience which they are going to push your videos to. You don't just go and pick randomly, or maybe you saw another person making money from that niche and you jump into it. Tomorrow you see another one, you jump into it. Okay, let me try this one. You go ahead, you delete the videos that you have created before. Confusion everywhere. It means you are going to remain stuck. You will never get that 1,000 subscribers. Yes, because YouTube will not be pushing your videos. Then how are you going to get subscribers? How are you going to get views? So go ahead and choose the right niche. Then the next thing is you have to stop guessing to post. No, you don't guess to post. You have to do what? Go on YouTube search bar and search what is trending, what people are looking for, what solution can you solve, and you use that same keyword to do what? To create your videos. When you create your videos using that same keyword, which people are looking for, people are searching for, you find yourself making it. Your post is going to go viral. You will grow fast on YouTube. You don't just guess to post. No, if you guess to post, YouTube allow your videos to be there. You'll be looking at your videos will be looking at you. You'll come to YouTube every day or on YouTube Studio every day to search if your video has gone viral. You'll see 2 views, 1 view, 3 views. Yes, because why? You're not posting the right way. You're not doing the right. And also, your thumbnail is the first thing that people will see before clicking to your videos. Okay. Now, your thumbnails need to be bold, simple. Don't complicate it. Don't complicate your thumbnails. If not, people will not click on it. People will scroll and they will pass. They will not click on it. Create simple thumbnail. Use your Canva or use your CapCut to do what? To create your simple thumbnail that is clickable. When people click your thumbnail to watch your video, definitely you are going to have the subscriber ASAP. You are going to have it very easy because why? Your thumbnail first of all attracts them to do what? To watch your videos. The next thing, your intro also matters. It will determine whether viewers will stay on your videos to watch it or they will leave. Your intro, don't make it boring. Stop saying, hi guys, welcome to my channel. No, make it simple and snappy and interesting. Your 5 to 10 seconds intro, let it be catchy. Let people have interest in watching your videos. Okay? So don't just go and start talking boring things from the beginning. How will they watch it to the end? The beginning matters. Even if the end is not sweet, the beginning should be interesting so that people will do what? Stay to view it. With that, you can easily have subscribers and you can easily have what? Watch hour. It will not be difficult for you to monetize your channel. At the end, don't forget to tell your viewers to subscribe, like, and do what? And comment so that each time you drop a video, they will be notified. They should also click the notification bell so that each time you drop a video, they will be notified so that they will never miss any video you drop. With that, you're attracting your viewers. You're attracting them. most of them will subscribe and they will always be watching your videos. And the next thing, don't just think that your first video is going to blow up. No, 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 no. It's not going to blow up. You might post right up to 12 videos or 13 videos before YouTube can recognize you and start doing or pushing your videos. If not, people could have been posting one video and they'll just blow up and they'll monetize that same day. No, YouTube need to see your effort. YouTube need to see your consistency. They won't just push your videos like that. No, you have to be consistent. Create a schedule when you post your videos. The days, is it twice a week or once in a week? And make sure if that is your time, make sure you always showed up to create your videos so that YouTube can recognize you and do what? Start pushing your videos to the right audience. You might create right up to 13 videos, and the 13 one, that is what will make you to monetize your channel. So don't give up. Don't give up. Keep pushing hard, okay? The journey of success is not easy. Have it at the back of your mind, it's not easy. Whatever means you want to make money, it's never going to be easy. Those are the exact steps I use in my first channel to get my 1,000 subscribers ASAP. Okay, so don't just watch, take action. Yeah, take action. Start it. You'll be thinking, how am I going to start? How would I have this 1,000 subscribers? Just start it, okay? And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Pretty Queen. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. And also comment, I am ready to start up, okay? So that we can all grow together. That's why I'm bringing you for this strategy, because that is what works for me in my first channel, and the channel is doing well. This is my second channel. It's doing well. So you can also do it. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your time. Bye bye.